Today's story is Lily in the Chocolate Factory. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed to my channel to stay up to date and see the new videos. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved chocolate more than anything in the world. She dreamed of one day visiting the famous Wonka Chocolate Factory, where all the most delicious chocolate treats in the world were made. One day, Lily's dream came true. She found a golden ticket in her Wonka chocolate bar, which gave her a chance to tour the factory with the eccentric chocolatier, Willy Wonka. Lily was so excited on the day of the tour. She arrived at the factory early and joined the other 4 children who had also found golden tickets. Mr. Wonka greeted them at the door and led them inside the factory. Lily was amazed by everything she saw. There was a chocolate river, a room full of edible candy flowers, and even a machine that made edible wallpaper. But her favorite part of the tour was the invention room, where Mr. Wonka showed them all his latest chocolate creations. One of Mr. Wonka's inventions was a new kind of chocolate that could change your mood. Lily took a bite of the chocolate and felt herself becoming happier and happier. She laughed and danced around the room, having the time of her life. After the tour, Mr. Wonka gave each of the children a special gift. Lily received a lifetime supply of all her favorite Wonka chocolates. She was so grateful to Mr. Wonka for the best day of her life. Lily never forgot her visit to the Wonka Chocolate Factory. It was a magical day that she would cherish forever. As Lily grew older, she never lost her love of chocolate. She often thought back to her visit to the factory and all the amazing things she had seen. She realized that the best part of the tour wasn't all the delicious chocolate, but the way Mr. Wonka had made her feel. He had made her feel happy, loved, and special. Lily decided that she wanted to be like Mr. Wonka when she grew up. She wanted to create delicious chocolate treats that would make people happy. She studied hard in school and eventually opened her own chocolate shop. Lily's chocolate shop was a huge success. Her chocolates were so delicious that people came from all over the world to try them. Lily was happy to know that she was making people happy with her chocolate. She knew that Mr. Wonka would be proud of her. The moral of the story is that it is important to follow your dreams and to never give up. Lily dreamed of one day visiting the Wonka Chocolate Factory, and she worked hard to make her dream come true. She also learned that the most important thing in life is to make others happy. Her chocolate shop was a success because she put her heart and soul into her chocolates and wanted to make people happy with them. That's end of the story. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you liked, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. See you in the next story.